today is Casual Friday. Basically, we're just going to be putting together this Himiway cruiser that we've got here. We're going to be doing our full review of that very soon. And it's going to be very uncut, unpolished, not super sexy. We're just going to put this bike together and see what happens. Now, normally we would just undo this box and then pull everything out from the top. However, I am going to be keeping this bike for quite a while, so I'm just going to be opening it up from the side so you can see exactly what's going on in there. All in all, it looks fairly secure. We've got this nice big foam block in the back. Looks like we've got a lot of foam protection up there in the front as well. And everything seems to be separated, packaged nicely. A lot of zip ties. Love zip ties. So it looks like we've got a little bonus in here. Little Himiway bike hat action. That's pretty cool. Appreciate it, guys. And I guess since we got this box open, let's go in there and see what is in here. So we've got the accessories box here. We've got our quick release, which is the thing that I was after. We've got some zip ties, a couple of brackets. I'm assuming those zip ties are going to be for the rear tail light. We have got a guard here, very nice. The derailleur guard. We've got one of those nice little multi-tools to put everything together. We've got both of our pedals here. Let's see what's in here. All right, we got this. Woo, that's a big headlight. I'm hoping that's bright. It looks bright. I hope it is. We'll be testing that out. We get that manual here. I mean, as far as bike manuals go, this is really nice. And the charger. You guys know what's wrong here? I do. Normally that's something I would have figured out beforehand, but look at this. Whoa, now everything's in the right spot. Wow. So right out of the box, and this is just, my assembling it, I'll probably have to adjust the brakes just a little bit. But maybe not, we'll see when we get everything kind of tightened. Maybe everything will just kind of work out. So these tools are really cool, and honestly, I am a big fan of them. The only problem is that there are certain things that you just need a few other tools for. So for example, in the front, you need to be using this Allen key, but you also have to be using the wrench at the same time. You can't do that with this, as far as I know, unless I was gonna take this apart. So you definitely would want another wrench to be able to tighten that up so you can make sure that's secured tightly. And then over here in the back, this is a regular Phillips head, and we have a Phillips head, but there's not a whole lot of room for us to get in there and tighten that up with this, so I'm just gonna grab another screwdriver and then we'll be good to go. Well, it looks like that screwdriver has hidden itself, so we are gonna leave it as is for now, and later we'll put it together, and then in a few days we'll be bringing you our full review. We're gonna take this thing out, ride around for a little bit, put it through its paces, and we will let you know what we think about it when we catch you on the next one.